I want to compare side by side these two famous primers from Maybelline, Jelly and the Grippy Primer. I'm going to apply Jelly on one side of my face and Grippy Primer on another side of my face, and I'm going to see how they perform and how well they hold the makeup throughout the day. I'm going to start with Jelly Primer and apply it to this side of my face. Jelly Primer is my favorite. I much prefer it over the Grippy Primer because I love how mattifying it is. I also love the texture. It's quite silicone but not too much. Now the right side is done. Now let's apply the Grippy Primer. This primer feels more like a serum. It's quite sticky. It's much more sticky than the Jelly Primer. Jelly is more mattifying while Grippy is more hydrating and definitely sticky. Not that sticky as e.l.f. primer, but still I would say maybe like 4 out of 10 sticky, I would say. And this is them side by side. You can definitely see that Grippy side is more glowy than the Jelly side, and it's also a bit more sticky than the Jelly side. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I will show you the final look. This is them side by side when the makeup is fully done. What do you guys think? To me personally, I don't see any difference. The only difference in real life that I see is that here I have some foundation separation and on the tip of my nose. And this is what always happens with the Grippy Primer. That's why it's not my favorite primer ever. But other than that, they look almost identical. I will do a check-in after a few hours and I will see how they perform. It's been 4 hours since I've been wearing this makeup. I didn't do any touch-ups. I didn't apply any powder. This is how naturally oily I am. I think that this side, Grippy side, is slightly more oily than the Jelly one, but I'm not sure. So honestly, to me, they look almost identical. I would say they perform exactly the same on the skin. I would say it's for you to choose which texture you prefer more, whether you like the serum texture or gel texture. I personally prefer Jelly because obviously their makeup prolonging properties are the same. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite?